TOEFL writing task number 2, writing an email in under 7 minutes may be very difficult for you, but I'm about to show you how you can write an email in 5 minutes, edit it in 2 minutes, and have a perfect score. Welcome to Practice Group International. My name is Mr. Hearn, and I am your TOEFL tutor. Let's get into it. The writing test you're about to see comes directly from the TOEFL IBT practice test number 1 from the ETS website. Remember, when practicing for your TOEFL IBT, use only genuine TOEFL IBT practice tests from ETS. The number 1 step to writing your TOEFL email faster is the right mindset. Just as you're finishing writing section task 1, build a sentence, stop and think to yourself, I'm about to write an email. Mindset is crucial for writing a high-scoring email in the 7 minutes. If you go into this task thinking that you're not going to be able to answer the question on time, that will become your reality. As you're finishing task 1, you have to know that you're about to write an email. You're going to write it in 5 minutes, have 2 minutes to edit that email, and when you're done, it will be perfect. Now let's continue. When you go into task 2, writing an email with the correct mindset, you will automatically be ready to start working. And to write a high-scoring email, that's exactly what you're going to do. Start working. A blank page creates a blank mind, and that will cause confusion, which will prevent you from writing your email. What you want to do is just get started. And what I mean is, immediately, as soon as you click on next to get into task 2, writing an email, look to the to line because the first thing you have to do is address this letter. Now, once you get that done, there's 2 more things I want you to write that will help you to get this letter started, and then it's just a matter of filling in the rest of the information. But getting it started is the hardest part. So let's see, what do we do next? When you click next with the right mindset that you're just going to write a perfect email and you know exactly how to do it, you are ready to get started. So what are we going to do next? We are going to start writing immediately, and let me show you what you're going to do. To overcome the blank page, the first thing we're going to do is look to see who the email is addressed to and then type it in. The very next thing you're going to do is write a polite statement. All right, keep in mind that I'm not showing you a template. I'm showing you a required structure by the AI TOEFL grader. This email must be written in a polite tone. So the first thing you're going to do is state a polite statement. Now, I'm not telling you what you should write, but it has to be something polite and an opening. Something like, I hope this email finds you well. I hope you're doing well today. However it is that you would ordinarily start your email, just write that sentence. And here's one more thing you need to write when you first start. Take a look. Immediately after writing your polite statement, hit enter on your keyboard 3 times and then sign your email. Now, how are doing these 3 simple things going to help you to write a perfect email in under 5 minutes? What you're doing is telling your brain, hey, I know what I have to do and I'm doing it. Just getting started is the hard part. Now, how do you write the body? Let's take a look. The next thing you must do to write your perfect email in under 5 minutes is to know what you're going to be writing about. As soon as you finish typing your signature, look to this part of the prompt. This part will tell you what the bulk of your email will be about. Once you've read that part, write this: relative polite statement. Now, this is an unknown secret that most TOEFL tutors don't know about. Your email must be written in a polite tone. So when you start your email with that polite statement and then end your email with a relative polite statement that is relative to the main topic of your email, you automatically get a higher score. And now you're going to focus on the 3 major prompts. Let's take a look. So far, your email should have these parts: your greeting of who your email is to, a polite opening sentence, your signature, and a polite closing sentence that is directly related to the prompt. And next, you'll address the 3 major points one at a time. Notice that I've written about each major point in separate paragraphs, and my word count is approximately 150 words. Now, as you can see, I'm not using a template. I am using the structure and the rules that the AI, the TOEFL grader, is using to score your response. By writing these things step by step and writing to your purpose, you will be able to structure your response quickly and accurately. Now, one last thing. You want to write one sentence at a time and write to your purpose. If you'd like to know more about how to write your email quickly and accurately with a perfect score, subscribe to my online TOEFL video course, and you can also learn how to answer every single question on your TOEFL, scoring that level 6 that you need to pass this test. That's it for this video. Make sure you watch the rest of my videos because I've got little things here that no one else knows about that I give to you so you can get on with living that successful life.